What's going on, guys? So, a lot of people think that they can't sell something online because they don't have their own product or their own service or anything like that. But I'm going to show you how you can start selling online without having a product of your own. It's called PLR, which is private label rights, and I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. Check it out. So, for those of you that don't have your own product or service, this is what you're going to do. You go to a PLR site like this one. You can select free for now just to get the hang of it, and then as you start gaining traction, you can go for the premium product. But for right here, I went and did a PLR ebook. I did this ebook right here, building your first email list. This is where you can download this book and these images. This is your table of contents and everything you're allowed to do with this book. And then I came over to Clickfunnels and I created a funnel. And this is the funnel I created. So then once I drop my email in there, send me the free book. So I put this text in here. I did my own color back here, created my own image here. Send me the book. This will take you to a thank you page right here. Thank you, your ebook is ready. And I just threw a couple other courses in here if anybody wanted to take these courses. But to get my book, I'd click that. And then there's the book. It's that simple. So then if you want your own, let's see, let me go back. If you wanted to create your own ebook, you can pick whatever you want, but that's basically how you do it. It's that cut and dry. Anything you want to do, any niche, weight loss niche, foods, anything you want to do, but it's that simple. So for any of you that want to take the 30-day OFA challenge, which teaches you these funnels here, I will be helping you build out your funnel, and I'll even give you this template. So just check the description and in the comments, and we'll see you inside here.